Everybody wants the light, but here's the truth. Nobody tells you the best lessons in life, they're learned in the dark. When life is easy, you don't grow. Comfort is a beautiful prison. You smile, you relax, but you don't evolve. You don't question yourself. And life doesn't reward comfort. It rewards growth. And growth always costs pain. Think about it. When did you really change? After a heartbreak, after losing, after failing miserably. That's where your character is made. Pain holds a mirror to your face. It shows you the parts of yourself you've been ignoring, your weaknesses, your excuses, your fears. And most people, they run from that mirror. They distract themselves. Phone in hand, scrolling endlessly, pretending everything's okay. But not you, not anymore. Because if you're watching this, maybe life is telling you, look, face it, learn. I've been there too, broken, lost, alone, thinking the pain would drown me. But you know what? Every scar was a lesson. Every failure was a teacher. And the darkness, it taught me to create my own light. So here's my question to you. What pain are you running from? What lesson is life trying to teach you that you keep ignoring? Because here's the truth, the pain will keep coming back until you listen, until you learn, until you grow. And when you finally face it, you'll realize you were never lost. You were just unfinished. The best lessons in life, they don't comfort you. They break you so you can rebuild. Stronger, wiser, unstoppable. So I'll ask you again, what is life trying to teach you right now?